As the Modi government completes 1 year, Truth versus Hype takes a hard look at this marquee scheme, Jan Dhan bank accounts for the poor. Now, in the past year, the government claims to have created 15 crore no-frills accounts in villages and small towns across India. Many signed in, fueled by the hype that they will get smooth payment of government benefits and in some cases by rumours of deposits of black money brought from abroad. But figures show nearly 70% of them are dormant. Even if the money does start to trickle in, has the government really put a banking infrastructure in place to handle this rush?
In Nizampur village in Haryana, they show us their new Jan Dhan passbooks.
आप दिखाइए कौन से बैंक का है अकाउंट?
बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का है।
The drive was launched here last September, powered by the promise of government benefits and fueled by heady rumours.
यही बात बताई थी कि आपका जब खाता खुलेगा उसमें 5,000 रुपए गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से आपके अकाउंट में आएंगे।
ठीक है। और
क्योंकि जो विदेशों में काला धन जमा हुआ वो आएगा, उसका जो भी है हिस्सा जो आपको आएगा वो मिलेगा।
ओ, आपको ऐसे बताया गया?
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ बताया, तभी कुछ लोगों ने खाता खुलवाया है।
The local bank says they've met their targets.
How many accounts have you opened in the last 6 months? कितने accounts खुले हैं आपने?
Around 600 accounts. All households we have covered.
You've met your targets.
Yeah, completed.
Since its launch in August last year, Jan Dhan claims to have opened 15 crore no-frills accounts across India. But 6 months later, the accounts in Nizampur are still empty.
तो याकूब भाई, क्या ये अकाउंट आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो?
अभी तो नहीं किया जी, अभी तो कुछ ऐसा ही है।
यहाँ किसी के भी अकाउंट में पैसा है?
जीरो बैलेंस है जी सब।
तो देखिए, इसमें कोई एंट्री नहीं है।
नहीं सर।
आपका दिखाइए।
कुछ नहीं, ये भी वही है।
कुछ भी नहीं है।
Finance Ministry figures suggest nearly 70% of the Jan Dhan accounts are dormant. The government claims that these figures are an improvement. Earlier, it was 80% dormant accounts. But even if the money does start trickling in, how will it reach the poor? Nearly a sixth of India is outside the purview of the formal banking system, a riddle which is not new. Even under the UPA, crores of no-frills accounts were opened with the focus just on meeting targets and not enough over the last mile. At Nizampur, the local bank says they do not have the manpower to handle the rush.
In total, we have got around 3,000 savings account with us.
Yeah. 600 is only
including 600 under PMJDY or Jan Dhan.
3,000 savings accounts handled by 3 of you bank employees. That's a big workload.
RBI data shows that the spread of rural banks is falling. Mr. Vaidyan, State Bank of India has signed on the largest number of Jan Dhan accounts. What additional recruitment, hiring, capacity building have you done to take on this extra load?
We have got something like more than 3 lakh outlets in the form of branches, then CSP outlets, then our this ATMs, and also we have got these POS machines all across the country. So servicing, it is not necessary today that all our customers have to come to the branches.
For the banks, it will never be profitable on a standalone basis, because the figures that I have for State Bank is that they have opened about 3.6 crore accounts, and the balances in them are 1,400 crores. So it's an average of 400 rupees per account. 400 rupees per account gives you a marginal benefit of 3%. Let us say your NIM is 3%. A bank on 400 rupees in a year will make 12 rupees.
Officials at the Department of Financial Services told us that over 1.25 lakh business correspondents had been recruited. Young men and women armed with backpacks of cash and portable biometric machines that would plug the holes in the last mile of banking.
With camera person Xavier and Manas Roshan, Srinivasan Jain for NDTV.